Since 1937, Bandit has been a trusted solution for municipal infrastructure applications. The classic ear-locked buckle has been the go-to solution for the last 85+ years. While it has stood the test of time, it became clear that the moment was here to introduce a new solution that can make installations faster, more reliable, consistent, and secure. Introducing the new Tru-Lokt Buckle. With a buckle wing engineered to collapse and run parallel upon proper tension, the Tru-Lokt Buckle eliminates guesswork and reduces installation time by 50%. Watch as the buckle wing collapses to parallel as the operator tensions. This visual confirmation increases installers' productivity and reduces the chance that they will over or under tighten, which can lead to cracked bands and excess waste. This means less time spent in high-risk positions, like installs from a bucket truck, making for a safer, smarter workday for everyone. We took these products to the field, and traffic signal contractor, Lighthouse Transportation, immediately saw the benefit. They appreciated how easy it was to confirm the tension just by looking at it, that it would decrease the ramp time for crews, and mentioned that the Tru-Lokt Buckle is a new standard that will leave customers with a peace of mind knowing that their installs are secure. The future of municipal installations is here, and Bandit is ready to equip you with the solution to visually confirm your tension. The Tru-Lokt Buckle. Fast, reliable, consistent, secure.